Beautiful Monday, everyone. June 2, 2025, and it is indeed a wonderful and joyful Monday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay na natin at mga blessings na darating pa kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges that makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting, syempre. Huwag din natin kalimutan magpasalamat dun sa mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at dun sa mga taong nakikimaritis lang dun sa buhay natin. Shoutout on Gina Glenda, Glenn Snow, and Pucci, Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Henry Arienda, and kay Sir Omar Bargola ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Kina Sir Ray Along Torres, Rolly Gomez, Romel Clausas, Ricky Alisna, Badit Dahan, Jima David, Dimpa Pagsibigat, Angie Sarmiento, Amigo Mayan, Elizabeth Ibarra, Mabel Andres, at kay Inday Araso. Friend, kumusta ka na? And then sa lahat ng members of the Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is, life is never easy nor fair. But if we are thankful with every little things we have and take joy with them, then life will always be into our favor. Yun. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, joyful Monday, everyone.